I got this Turbolock here on my cabinet, and it have locked up. It will not work. That battery been in there about a year and a half, so the battery probably stopped working. So it's froze up. So I can't take the lock. I can't open this cabinet door. But I'm gonna show you what I had to do. I'm gonna take this door frame off. It's really simple to do. It's really easy to take the door frame off. Only thing you need, maybe just a screwdriver or maybe something to knock that pin out. As you can see, it will not work. So here go how you do that. First, what you do is you get you a punch or a screwdriver, whatever, and a hammer, and you just go right here and just hit it up. You see how it popped up right there? Then you go to the second one, just pop it up. And if you need some WD-40 or something to spray on it to make it come up easy, I've been in here 19 years, and this is the first time I've ever taken this frame off. See how I just pull those right out. Once you pull it out, you may need to get a screwdriver or something, but you just grab it right here some kind of way and just pull it toward you. As you can see how I'm pulling it, it pulled right off. And that's how you take that door frame off. And since I got the door frame off, I'm gonna show you how to change this battery in the Turbolock. If you got one of these locks, I had a few of them before, and I've had these for about maybe 5 or 6 years, maybe even longer. But I'm gonna go ahead and take that cover off and put 2 AAA batteries in there. It's really easy. Just move that cap, pop those 2 batteries off, and put you 2 more in there, and it should work fine. So yeah, I have another 1.5 years, maybe 2 years with these batteries. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this lock on there and put the cover back on. Once I put the cover back on, I'm gonna test it and make sure it works correctly. As you can see, it's working great. It's not locked up no more, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the frame back on. So I'm gonna just line everything up, and I'm doing this myself. That's how easy it is. And this door is really light. But if you need some help, just have somebody to hold it for you. I'm putting those pins back in. And once I get the pins in, I'm gonna just take my hammer and just knock them down flat. You see how I knocked that down flat? It's really simple. So now I got my Turbolock working, and I can open and close the door easy.